Hey there, it's Craig Norton from Toivo Healing from Within. And today we're going to do something a little different. No drums today. I'm going to offer you a mantra, which is something that I have used in my life. Come here, bud. Hi. She always gets into these videos. Come here. Yeah, hi. So, this is a mantra that is for healing and connection to your body. And it's a very powerful healing mantra that you can say or sing anytime, anywhere, out loud or inside, in your mind. And it's a mantra that has been brought to us in the West by a couple different kirtan singers, but really the one that if you really connect with this and want to hear the original version, there's a singer named Snatam Kaur that does absolutely stunning version of this, and I highly encourage you to listen to that and sing along with her as well. I'm going to read you an article about these sounds that you'll be toning, so you better understand why we're doing this. In Kundalini Yoga, there is a powerful mantra for healing. The way that it heals is to tune a soul to the vibration of the universe, which is pure and without disease or pain. Yogi Bhajan, who is the master of Kundalini Yoga, has said that this mantra is one of the most powerful healing mantras on the planet. The power of this mantra comes from its ability to connect earth and ether. Siri Geta Mantra offers radiant divine healing for yourself, others, and the world. The words to this mantra are Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hum. Ra means the sun, and connecting with that frequency gives you energy. Ma means the moon, and it aligns you with receptivity. Da is the energy of the earth, grounding you in your roots. Sa is infinity, and as you chant this, your energy rises upwards and outwards, drawing in the healing power of the universe. When you chant Sa a second time, you'll pull the energy of infinity into you. Se is a way of honoring the all-encompassing thou. It is personal, like a secret name for God or universe. So it is a vibration of merger. Hung is the infinite, the vibrating real. It is the essence of creation. So hung together means I am thou. The service of the cosmic intelligence is within me. So I encourage you to find a comfortable place to sit down and chant along with me. Take a deep breath. Rama Da Sa Sa Se So Hum. Rama Da Sa Sa Se So Hum. Rama Da Sa Sa Se So Hum. Ramadasa 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 sa Om. So you can integrate this into your daily practice, or bring it on anytime that you feel like your body needs healing, that your partner needs healing, or that the world needs healing, and send it out, right? So, namaste, enjoy the day.